Hey YouTube, this is Merrick. Having a huge thunderstorm. Let's see if I can get some lightning for you guys. It's so dark.
Little one.
Just had a little strike, guys. I'll wait for a big one. Keep filming. Raining pretty hard out there. Let's see the lights. Pretty.
This is Prince in heaven.
I know, right?
He's putting on a show.
I don't know what Prince is, so I don't know what kind of music he does.
Anything and everything.
Does he go?
Yeah, he could totally play the guitar. That was a good one.
Wow, guys, that was awesome. Let's see if I can get another couple more like that. Sit tight, guys. That was crazy. And I think I just saw the bolt, too.
I did.
I wonder if I got that on camera. The bolt itself. I mean, I got the flash, but not the bolt itself. Woo! That was some crazy thunder. Lightning, too. Woo! That was pretty cool. So we get focus there.
Why do you keep on
Focusing it. It's coming, it's coming. I'm just gonna stand up here. And we're just gonna have to wait patient for another really cool bolt to happen. Huh? I know, I haven't seen anything for a little while. At least a minute. Yeah, check your spark thing. Just sit tight, and if we don't see anything when this video hits 6 minutes, I'm just gonna stop the video. Where is it at? So, this way? So, start going like towards that tree? Oh, it's that way still? Okay. Okay, okay.
That's the southeast, which is not really. Yeah!
Woo! Saw the bolt in that one too? No? Shh. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you'd enjoy the thunder and lightning. Peace.